Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody just asked me a question. They have snapped the parallel dimension tool to the inside of an object accidentally and want to know if you could stretch it. I think once it's set, it cannot be moved. You can move it up and down, but I don't think you could take the line and make it any longer. Now, with that said, I've never snapped to the center. Let's just do that. So we've got a 3" by 3" square, and we're going to take the parallel dimension tool, and we're going to have it snap to the center, and then go outwardly. And you can see it's 1.5. I've got my number set too high, but when you check off of it, you can pick the font, well, with the pick tool and make it like 24 points. Now, what is cool about this, if you needed to find out the center without a calculator, and you want to make this box like 4.55, well, the center is 2.27, but actually you can round that off because it's probably 27.5. Well, yeah, here we go. Click on the line and add another 0, and you got 2.275. So that would help you if you needed to find the center of a square without doing the math. Let's change this square now that we've got this set a decimal over, let's set it to 5.98, and the center is 2.99, and that's math-wise, so that could help you. You know, when you're doing that, I've never snapped to the center of an object. I've never even thought about it. You know, it'd actually help you, you know, to circle. Let's say we're going to make that circle 5 inches. Well, what is the center from with the parallel dimension tool? From the center outwardly is 2.5. I mean, that's common math, but if you would change this to 6.66, then your center, well, that's an easy one. Let's go 6.57, and you get 3.29. And even if we, you know, if we extended that out a little bit more to another decimal place, it's going to be 3.285. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody along the way, and thank you for watching.